Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review these magnetic insulated door curtain. So I will install these in my door, the door that goes through the garage. So it comes with the curtain and also these pins and also the Velcro tape, and it comes with these tools so you can install it. And now let's see how it is. The material feels very like kind of plastic, but it is very thick, and in the bottom part it has like weights, so it is extended very well. So now, as you can see, in all the corners has a Velcro on it, and this is how tall it is. So now let's just proceed with the installation. Here we have the tape, and we already have it cut in the sides of the door. Here we have the door frame, and we are putting it here in the top part, and we will be doing the same on the sides of the door, installing the tape which has Velcro, and we will be putting the curtain door here attached to the Velcro. So here is how it is. It is very easy to install. Just make sure that you go through the whole frame and that you put it very well. And now that we have all glued out to the door frame, we are going to start by putting the curtain. This is how it looks, just the door frame. Now let's do the curtain. So here is the curtain, and now we are going to put it carefully in all of the sides, just putting it very well together. And as you can see, it looks like it is closed because from the middle it is magnetic. So these will cover this door and protect it, because it usually comes a lot of cold from this door in the winter, and a lot of heat during the summer. So these will help us with that. Here we are showing you that it has magnet. As you can see, it closes and then it closes by itself. So let's just open it again so you can see it better. See, it opens. Then if you let it go, it will close by itself because it is magnetic. It is really good. We have had these for more than 2 weeks and it's holding very well. I thought that it was going to fall apart from this Velcro, but no, it is super resistant, super durable, and it really protects us right now from the heat. And this is how it will look. Now let's just test it out and see. It immediately closes out after we are inside. And if it doesn't close, it is very easy to close it out. So here is how it will be closing, like hermetically, with these magnets. Pretty cool, huh?